Hi everyone, this video is for my January Scentbird. Scentbird is another really cool subscription. This is my third month with them. If you want to see what I got for January and hear a little bit more about them, stay tuned. So I've included a referral link down below. Scentbird does a really cool thing. When you use a referral link from my channel or anybody that has one, I'm pretty sure anybody else, they give you a free scent. So your first scent would be free from what I understand. I know one of my subscribers already used my referral link. Actually, a couple of you have. So, and I haven't heard anything back about it. So I'm pretty sure you guys got your free scent. And then I was credited also a free scent that I can order whenever I want. Anyway, Scentbird comes every month. It comes in this little black bubble bag. It's this size, and it's got Scentbird New York on here. Very cool. When you initially get Scentbird, it comes with a universal, like, applicator bottle for these to fit in. I'm going to show you. Let me grab my purse. I kind of want you guys to see this to get an understanding. So they send you, your first month, they'll send you this little Velcro bag. Not Velcro. Oh my God. Velvet. And it's got the little drawstring. If I haven't showed you guys this already. And it comes in one of these little cool containers. Now, you can order these online too and get more if you want. What it does is it turns like a lipstick thing kind of. And you get these every month. So it tells you, I'm holding upside down. It tells you the name of the perfume. It's got the little bird on top. And it goes inside here. And when you want to spray it, you turn it like a lipstick. See? So, and then look, just to take it out, you can put a new one in. So when I got the first one, it came in this little velvet bag, in the black bag, right? And my first scent was already loaded in here, in there. Now every month you get this black bag. No velvet bag, but you will get something like this. It reminds me of a little wine gift box, you know, you get to put your wines in. So it does say Scentbird New York on it. And every month you'll get this packaging with your new scent. This was my last month's scent. This was Toca Julieta. So I carry that one with me. I can change these out whenever I want. If you see, I can pop them in and pop them out just like nothing. Very, very convenient. And they sell all kinds of different things. They have different colored things like this. And they have storage bins where you can like stack them real pretty. The little bottles, you know. So you have to check it out. I think I covered all the bases of Scentbird if you guys didn't know now. Let's see. Oh, I do have something else to tell you guys in a minute though. All right, so the card is for Moschino. If I'm saying it right, this was part of the list of fragrances that I liked. I filled out a, I don't know, like a preference of scents that I like. And then it gave me like a base of all different kinds of perfumes that are like around those scents, and you could pick and choose and make your own list. You could even maneuver them and put them in line, or you could do a mystery. I don't like mystery, so we went with the Moschino Pink Fresh Couture. Came in this little container just like I said it would. I have not smelled this yet, but I heard it is amazing. So it's got the little label on here. And I'm going to put it in my other bottle so we can smell it, because I'm super excited. It's the one that looks like it comes in the Windex bottle, right? I'm having complete brain farts through this whole video. Like, my words are just like, duh. Anyway, I put the Moschino in here, or the pink Moschino, and we will do this. I don't know if I like this one. It's kind of strong. Let's see, what does it say? It's got notes of pomegranate, rose, grapefruit, black currant, and hyacinth. It's very strong for me. Maybe this is one of those after a while it just fades. I hope so. But it doesn't really matter. I mean, it's just a collection, another collection to add to my crazy ass. But listen, I gotta tell you some more stuff I totally forgot about Scentbird. There is these really cool options that they give you. So check it out. Aside from the fact that you can order more than one fragrance per month, and then the more you order, the less it becomes for each individual perfume. You could do one for, I think, $14.99. But if you do 2 or 3, they each go down lower, like to $12.99 or something each. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is they do makeup, lippies. They're starting to like add more stuff into their thing, and you can put that in your your list for the next thing you want next month. You can pick what you want, and for the same price as one of your fragrances, you can get like a Deca Scarlet palette, like a full palette. You guys have to check this out. It's like the coolest thing I've ever seen. For example, like next month, I'm not getting a perfume next month. I put in that I wanted, there was a color that we got from Kat Von D in one of our boxy charms, and it was that real pink one. We didn't, they have that on there, but they have a even deeper like neon looking pink that I could use for a lot of different things, eyeliner, lipstick. Anyway, I have that coming next month. I think it's called, it's a Kat Von D liquid liner, lip liner, or liquid lip. See what I mean about my words? Anyway, you guys will see it next month. I'm pretty sure it's on my list for next month. Let me know what you guys think about Scentbird. Hit that like button down below and comment. If you're new to my channel, stick around because I love having new company and join this crazy family that I got going on. Yous are all great, and yous know I appreciate yous very much, and I will see yous all again real soon. Bye.